Hello, in this video, we will learn how to easily disable the Messenger account. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell to receive all updates. Follow the steps shown in the video, and don't worry, we will explain the important steps in detail. Here, you will choose the Facebook account you want to disable because disabling the Facebook account will also disable Messenger. As you can see, this option is pre-selected by default, so we will click on Continue. Click Continue again. Enter your Facebook password. Choose the reason for disabling your account. Click Continue. Continue again. Scroll down a bit and click on Disable My Account. Note that you can reactivate your account at any time by logging in with your email or phone number and password. Finally, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe now and enable notifications to receive updates on new content. See you in another video.